We're back at our favorite place to dyno cars, the only place we come to dyno cars, really.
Yeah.
FiTech. A big reason we like coming here is because we have direct hands-on access to the man, Jeremy. Basically, explain your position here, because I know you have your hands in everything, but why are you so good at what you do here?
Well, I'm the co-founder and engineer, and I designed a lot of the software that this stuff runs on, so I kind of know what I'm doing with it. You know, it's always good to have cars come in and I can play with and learn a few new things every once in a while, but hopefully this one will be a walk in the park. Just, you know, dial it in a little bit, see the power, let you get on your way.
Yeah, pretty standard combo for you. It's a mild 440 stick shift. This has your guys' Classic Black EFI unit on it. So just kind of one of the simpler setups that you guys sell. But yeah, it's great to be able to bring it here. You can see firsthand, you know, kind of how it's running and everything, get it all dialed in. Not your first charger with us.
What is this, like 6 or 7? I don't even know.
Yeah, it's up there. Yeah. You guys have done like every variation that you guys sell for the chargers that we've put on here. So it's exciting to be back. Excited to see what it makes, and we'll have some numbers for you on the outro. All right, so that wraps up the dyno session. You did a lot of science on this thing.
I didn't have to do much. I just changed it to like cam 2, dialed in the fuel tables a little bit better so it's right on. Trying to think, what else did I do?
Timing.
Yeah, I did a little timing. That made a lot of difference. I did find a point where it was pinging, so I backed it off, but we did end up making about 388 horsepower at the tire, which is fun for a car.
I'm okay with that. So kind of my goal, almost with any engine, is at least 1 horsepower per cubic inch. So I guess I could say that at the crank, we're almost
there. Yeah, you're close
crank.
to 500 probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's good. I mean, it's an iron-headed 440, but it's a fresh engine, big block. It's got headers. It's got your guys' system on it, so you're able to actually get in there, optimize the fuel, and that's a huge thing on these cars. So we really appreciate the time you took today. I think there's only one thing left to do.
Burnout.